pineapple juice dissolve mucus to 5x faster than cough syrup. Pineapples contain bromelain, a chemical with calming properties. It battles diseases and eliminates microscopic organisms. The juice from crisp pineapples can stifle HACs 5 times more viably than HAC syrup. According to studies, pineapple, when mixed with a few other ingredients, can prove to be an immensely effective medicine for curing those suffering from tuberculosis and other coughing issues like sinusitis and bronchitis. There are several pineapple recipes to treat these problems, and some of them are listed below. A mixture of raw pineapple juice, honey, cayenne pepper and salt can be an extremely useful potion for dissolving mucus in the lungs of patients suffering from tuberculosis. A few other studies have shows that the raw extracts from pineapple can aid in dissolving mucus 5 times faster than regular cough syrups. It also increases the recovery time by 4 times and also doesn't come with side effects like that of putting you off to sleep. Bromelain has very powerful anti-inflammatory effects. It is also assumed that the body directly absorbs certain amount of bromelain from the pineapple juice, and that it lessens the inflammation, relieving conditions like arthritis. In many countries, for example Germany, bromelain is specifically approved for the treatment of inflammation and swelling of the nose, especially after a sinus surgery. Pineapple juice combats mucus. Consuming pineapple juice doesn't just soothe the irritation of nasty coughs, it also helps you reduce the annoying mucus. Back in 2010, researches were done attempting to find treatments to help people suffering from tuberculosis. The findings of the reports were published in the Der Pharmachemica, including the fact that natural pineapple juice, mixed with honey, salt and pepper, taken daily helps to dissolve the mucus that deposits in the lungs, causing illnesses like Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Cough remedy based on pineapple juice. Ingredient: fresh lemon juice, approximately a 1/4 of a cup. 1 cup of fresh pineapple juice, preferably home juiced. 1 tablespoon of unprocessed honey. A small piece of ginger, about 3 inches long. Half a teaspoon of hot chili pepper. Direction: blend or juice all ingredients. Take 1/4 cup of this remedy up to 3 times a day and your cough or sore throat will be gone in no time. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. If you want more natural cures and weight loss tips, subscribe to the channel.